Today's lick is a real tasty one. It's a real treat from a young bassist that you've probably seen all over the internet by now, and his name is Aron The Bassist. Hit that like button. It's over a song called Love Theory by Kirk and I'm going to show you guys how to play it, break it down a little bit, and let's not hang about. Lick of the week. So what's in that lick? It's just a simple walking down a major scale from the root note of our 4 chord. We're on a 4 chord, so it's a major 7 on G flat. So we're hitting that G flat, then major 7 down, major 6, 5th, major 3rd, major 2nd. We're back up to the 5th, and now it's all pentatonic from here. So hopefully by now you're seeing that these pentatonic patterns, they are the bread and butter of gospel bass for the most part. They are kind of our framework, our ladders that we work around. So here again it's major scale with pentatonics, and with the jumps is what makes it, gives it that kind of skipping feel, but the actual lick is so jump, and it's jumping upper 4th. So upper 4th, up 4th. Quick breakdown today. There's tabs for this. The tabs are linked below. You can donate what you want for them. Subscribe for more. Subscribe for more lick breakdowns. Subscribe for more gear suggestions. We're going to keep working through some licks. Hit that like button. As always guys, stay basic.